Many people have asked me how the fuck I've been able to scale so quickly, and I pretty much follow a very simple rule, and that it was to give, and give. Okay, just give. Okay, give better support, give a better service, give a better attitude. Okay, just give more pay if you have team members, give them bonuses, just give positivity. Be a positive energy, and these people will get you something. Okay? So listen, guys. In my program, inside of the program, the 7-Figure Accelerator, I give the whole funnel away. Right? I give them the opportunity to build this funnel for them. I give them the emails. I give them the templates. I give them step-by-step videos. I give them support. I give them coaches. Right? I give them a Facebook group. I give them a community. I give them a live Q&A. I give and I give and I give and I give, and then I get. Okay? So listen, guys.